Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer and welcome to the R programming series. And in this video we're gonna talk about if else statement in the R. So how we can use if else control structure, right? And you can contact me on this WhatsApp or the mail if you got any difficulty with your coursework or the projects you are working on in your university or school, whatever you are enrolled in. Right, let's get started with the if else. Right, let's say first of all, let's see the basic syntax. Right, so you're gonna use the keyword if, then the parentheses, then the curly braces, and in the parentheses we're gonna have a logical uh, expression, and then in the curly braces you're gonna write what you want to execute, right? So this will execute it if this part will be true. And let's just see for the first time the if part, and then we will talk about the else part also. So let's make a scenario. So we want if the name of the person is Obed. Let me just quickly make a variable which will have a string, and it will be Obed, right? So if the name is Obed, and take it as a virtual secretary or something like that, right? So it will ask name, it will if it will be Obed, then uh, we will, so we can say name is equal to Obed, and we are saying with the help of this paste. If you don't know, just check the lecture 2, right? It's used for string concatenation, and we are saying hello, and then in the comma we're gonna use no bad. Let's see what we get, right? So this is the simple scenario. Okay, yeah, great. We are using name, right? Yeah. So what just happened is it just checked this logical expression, which is, if I just run it in the console, it will give us true, and if the value in here is true, is giving the return as true, then it's gonna print this statement, right? And it will just concatenate hello and whatever the name is, right? But let's say some other person has come up, and let's just keep it as this. So if it's Obed, then he will be welcomed, otherwise else please come back later. Right? So whatever the value, if it's not the Obed, right? Let's say a person named John has come, or maybe some other person, so then it will say just come back later, you are not Obed, right? So please come back later, because it didn't give this value as true, right? So if we just run this now, it's gonna give us false, right? So it is false, so this line will not be executed. What will execute is whatever is in the else part, right? So this line. So that's it for the if else, and I want you to know we are not just using numbers in our R, because I just don't want you to get overwhelmed, because in R, like colleges do is like they throw out numbers on you, right? Like R norm, P norm, and things like that. So just let me introduce. Yeah, so it is like giving you normal distribution and things like that. We are gonna see this lot of number in our art tutorial, so just keep on with the lectures, right? And you can contact me on this WhatsApp if you got any problems. Thank you.